Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the unboxing of Mi TV 4 along with installation, initial setup and hands-on review. So guys, this is the box. I have ordered the Mi TV on Flipkart's first flash sale, that's on 22nd Feb 2018, and the TV was delivered on 23rd. For some reason, the delivery guy insisted on opening the box to make sure nothing was damaged. Everything was fine, but I felt kinda weird. Anyway, the same day I got a call from the technician and scheduled an appointment for the next day, that's 24th of February, for installation. Next day, that's actually today, these people showed up for installation. They took care of everything. There were no installation charges either. As far as I know, if you buy a Mi TV within the 3 months from its launch date, there are no installation charges. You also get an infrared receiver for free. Now I wanted to mount the TV to the wall, so I had to pay 400 rupees for the wall mount frame. As I'm going to mount this to the wall, I won't be needing these stands, which by the way are made of metal. They're quite heavy and look solid. Now this is the remote. This is the box where we get the remote and this is how it looks. It's completely made of plastic. Buttons have a nice tactile feel to them. Design looks very minimalistic and I'm pretty sure it only comes in black. For some reason, batteries are not included, so I had to run to a store to get 2 AAA batteries. This is the IR cable or the IR receiver that we get for free. Let's have a quick look at it. I'm not going to use a setup box, so I won't be needing this. If you have a set-top box, you will need this. Now once everything is set up, when you power it on, you will see a white color LED light at the bottom. Now the first thing we need to do is pair the remote, which is pretty simple. Just follow the on-screen instructions. It will be done in a minute. Just make sure you are very close to the TV when you are pairing the remote for the first time. Then we will be asked to connect to our Wi-Fi. We can also use the Ethernet port, but Wi-Fi is more convenient. So this is the patch wall home screen. Once everything is done, you will see the patch wall, which is the default home screen on this Mi TV. Now coming to my initial impressions, at the start it was like wow, it's a huge TV and there was all this hype, and after a few minutes the excitement was a little down. I like the patch wall interface, but I kinda hate the buttons on this remote. I wish Xiaomi could have used a touchpad kind of a thing to scroll through the menu, something like the old iPod. In fact, I thought it was a touchscreen to begin with. It would have made our life a lot easy. Anyway, initially I couldn't find YouTube, but after updating the software, it suddenly popped up. And when I played a video to show off the new TV, picture quality was good, but there was some lag, frame drops, and I was really disappointed. Next I connected a 64GB pen drive, which was probably in exFAT format, and it was not recognized. Once again, a bit of disappointment. Next I connected another pen drive which was detected. I tried to play an MKV file and the TV couldn't play it. Now I was seriously disappointed. I was second guessing myself. So on the whole, after 1 hour of initial usage, I was kinda disappointed. Then I brought in the big guns, connected my external hard disk. Then for some reason, it was able to play a regular 4K movie with X264 codec in MKV format without any issues. It was even able to play a 10-bit X265 codec video file very smoothly. I don't know what made the difference, but now I'm really happy. We can even connect Bluetooth headset, Bluetooth speakers, and stream audio to the Bluetooth device. So now we can enjoy movies and other content without disturbing others. I was even able to connect a Bluetooth controller, but there were no games to test it. I tried to install Asphalt 8, but it didn't work. The same goes for a normal YouTube application. Next I installed ES File Explorer and it had no problems. I was able to watch videos, browse the net and even download stuff using ES File Explorer. Then I tested Miracast. For some reason I was not able to cast the screen of Pixel 2 to the TV, but I was able to mirror the screen of Redmi Note 4, which was once again kinda surprising. Now those were all the initial impressions, but I still didn't cover 2 important things. One is the display and the second one is audio. Display is really awesome. I really can't say or show you how good it actually is. So go to a Mi store and check out the TV in person or blindly buy it online by trusting the brand. Now coming to the audio. Audio was pretty good, nothing awesome. It's better to get a good home theater system for such a big TV. So guys, that was the unboxing, my initial impressions and a quick hands-on review of the Mi TV 4. This is definitely the best TV in the market. For a price tag of 40,000 rupees, we are getting a 55-inch 4K TV with HDR support, which is also a smart TV with a pretty powerful processor. I just wish they could have launched the 65-inch variant, even at a slightly higher price. That's the only thing I miss right now. And I hope they can fix the YouTube app as soon as possible. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you are planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.